Lapis trial, which is the one in locally advanced disease, was designed in a different way than some of the preliminary studies, and that may have had an impact on outcome. Another consideration is that some of the preclinical data supporting the use of Pamrevlumab may not apply in people. There's some additional data that I'm hoping to acquire, and in particular, data that looks at things like the pattern of disease recurrence, local versus systemic, CTGF One levels, that may give me a deeper understanding of that. It turned out that Pamrevlumab did not show a positive result either in the Lapis trial or in the experience with Precision Promise. So to the extent that those trials are in agreement, there was not enough information to warrant taking Pamrevlumab forward for regulatory approval. That being said, the analysis of the experimental arm in Precision Promise was done using a new clinical trial design that included Bayesian statistical methodology, and the impact of that on the interpretation of the study drugs is something that's under investigation. I will say that the experimental arm was held to a very high bar in terms of the control population. The all signature is used to give, in essence, the drug an additional chance to win. And what it looks at is not a particular stage of the disease, but look at the entire course of the disease. And so it could be that the drug could have a benefit not necessarily earlier or late, but based on the composite of that, can be shown to have a beneficial effect at any time. Whether that is the best signature to use, the best thing to study, or needs to be done differently is a matter of interpretation. But the basic idea is to try to help the drug be successful any way we can. For example, I mentioned CTGF One. That is the target of Pamrevlumab, and it's been shown previously that CTGF One levels correlate with therapeutic response. So it could be that people with higher CTGF One circulating levels have a lesser response than those that don't, and so it may be that particular patient subsets, in patient subsets, it might be more beneficial. Unfortunately, the sponsoring company, FibroGen, felt they didn't have the resource to go forward, so research in Pamrevlumab, at least for the moment, has ended.